I was calling 911. Dude almost choked him.
Man.
We almost lost a member. You all right, Shaq?
Are you okay? You all right?
Welcome
right?
inside the NBA.
Right, let's go. Hey, apparent game 3 tonight at the Field House and the Grindhouse. Come on, keep it going. Tonight on TNT. Welcome to Atlanta Studio J. TNT Auto Trader present. I'm Charles Barkley, Ernie Johnson, Kennedy Jess Pippen. Shaq is dying over here. We're talking Cavs and Pacers.
Yes, we are. We're talking
You don't
Cavs
read
and
that
Pacers.
part.
Are you okay over there?
I'm good now.
Okay.
Yeah, he really had to be here just to see how he recovered from it.